Welcome to the MX world. Today you're going to learn how the MX Magic Twister works and how to use it. Remove the required length of twister die. Cut the tie with the help of cutter. Because of its durability, we encourage you to use it to tie your cables. You can tie multiple things with MX Magic Twister. You can seal your cone bags or printed poly bags. MX Magic Twister is a metal wire encased in thin strip of plastic. You can use it for your files or folders. It can also be used to hold things in a better way. You'll be happy to know that there are creative ways of using the twist ties. It's very simple to use. MX Twister ties are reusable, and because its durability, it's far better than rubber bands. It's useful in almost everywhere. Thanks MX Magic Twister for making our lives simple.